Welcome back to WellnessWaveOfficial, your destination for health, mindfulness, and personal growth. Today, we explore overcoming fitness plateaus, strategies to keep progressing, where science and well-being merge. Join us as we uncover the transformative practices that can enhance your strategies to keep progressing today. Introduction. Have you stopped seeing results? Have you ever wondered why your workouts no longer give you the same results? You push yourself in the gym, follow your routine, yet progress slows down or stops completely. This frustrating phase is known as a fitness plateau, and it happens when your body adapts to your current training. But here's the secret. Plateaus are not permanent. Understanding why they happen and making key changes can reignite your progress. From modifying your workouts to fine-tuning your nutrition and rest, we're going to uncover the science-backed strategies to break through any plateau and keep progressing. Step 1. Progressive overload, the key to consistent gains. Your body is designed to adapt to stress. If you keep lifting the same weights or running the same speed, your muscles and endurance will stop improving. This is where progressive overload comes in. By gradually increasing the weight, intensity, or repetitions in your workouts, you force your body to continuously adapt and grow stronger. Studies show that strength training with increased resistance over time leads to greater muscle mass and endurance. The trick is challenging yourself without overtraining. Small but consistent increases are the key to breaking a plateau. Step 2. Change your routine. Confuse your muscles for growth. Did you know your body can fully adapt to a workout in just 4 to 6 weeks? If you've been doing the same exercises for months, it's time to switch things up. Your muscles need new challenges to continue growing. If you've been lifting heavy, try adding high-rep endurance training. If your cardio routine is feeling too easy, incorporate interval sprints. Even something as simple as changing the order of your exercises or using different equipment can spark new muscle engagement and restart progress. Step 3. Nutrition, the fuel behind your performance. You can have the perfect workout plan, but if your nutrition isn't right, your progress will stall. Are you eating enough protein to build muscle? Are you consuming too many hidden calories, slowing fat loss? Sometimes, a fitness plateau isn't about training, it's about food. Increasing protein intake by just 10% or timing your meals around workouts can make a huge difference. Hydration also plays a major role. Even mild dehydration can reduce strength and endurance, affecting performance. Step 4. Rest and recovery, the overlooked game changer. More training isn't always better. Sometimes your body needs rest. Overtraining can increase stress hormones, weaken your immune system, and reduce muscle recovery. Quality sleep, rest days, and active recovery are essential for progress. Your muscles grow when you rest, not when you train. Professional athletes prioritize sleep and recovery just as much as workouts, and so should you. Stretching, foam rolling, and even light yoga can help your body repair and come back stronger. Step 5. Track your progress. Measure more than just the scale. Are you tracking your workouts? If not, you're missing a crucial part of fitness success. Many people rely only on the scale, but progress comes in many forms. Strength improvements, endurance gains, body composition changes, and even mental resilience all count as progress. Keeping a workout journal or using a fitness app can help you see small improvements even when it feels like nothing is changing. Celebrate these small victories. They add up to big results. Conclusion, your roadmap to breaking any plateau. A fitness plateau isn't a sign to give up. It's a sign to level up. Your body is adapting, and that's a good thing. By implementing progressive overload, changing your routine, fine-tuning your nutrition, prioritizing recovery, and tracking progress, you can overcome any roadblock and keep improving. Consistency is the secret ingredient to long-term success. If you apply these strategies, you won't just break through your plateau. You'll come back stronger than ever.